This woman reading the newspaper at her dining room table has invited these workers into her home. She hired them to make sure the air in her house is clean. So why is all this debris flying around her head? As you may have guessed, they aren't making her air any cleaner. But she is being taken to the cleaners. Tonight, we'll show you what happens when there's a scam in the air and how we will expose who's behind it.
I'm Chris Hansen with Dave INDC. Okay.
It's a ripoff that the Better Business Bureau thinks is huge.
I've never seen anything like this in my 19 or 20 years with the BBB.
Michelle Mason is president of the Better Business Bureau of North Alabama. For more than a year, she's been investigating the scams, which she says regularly target one of the most vulnerable segments of the population.
We found them targeting the elderly.
Elderly.
Absolutely. In our area, they offer discounts if you were a senior citizen.
If you own a home, you probably already know what air ducts are. They carry air from the furnace or air conditioning unit into the rooms of your home. And sometimes they need to be cleaned. The problem, according to Michelle Mason, is few homeowners know what the job entails.
Very rarely do we understand how it works, how long it should take, how much it should cost.
Which is precisely why the scammers have been able to cash in. They get in the door promising homeowners an air duct cleaning for a low price of $49.95, which experts say is just a fraction of what a proper cleaning should cost. Once inside your house, the price skyrockets way beyond $49.95.